Hello guys. Oh, you already a few of you connected. Thank you for joining. A lot of you are connecting right now. Thanks to all of you for joining us this afternoon, Saturday afternoon in Casa Padel in Paris for this European Cup of Paddle Clubs. Welcome, all of you. Hope everything is alright at home. You've had a great lunch. You have time, sit comfortably, take it easy. Hello, Brandy. See you already there. As you see on your screen, I think you all know those four players start ending their warming up now. The tallest guys representing the Mas, Perpignan, north of Catalogne, France. I mean, it depends. Sometimes Catalogne is not French. It depends the people we are talking with. At the right side, the left-handed players, José Luis Salines. Yes, ex-number 1 in Spain, ex-number 60 in the WPT. Great player. His partner for this match is Erwan Nicole, ex-pro in volleyball. Big smash, Erwan. Playing paddle for a few years now in Le Mas in Perpignan. Facing them for this confrontation. At the right side, from Toulouse, the coach of the Toulouse Paddle Club, founded by Kevin Tournemire, Nicolas Trancard. And at his left side, Yann Oradou, who's normally playing with Julien Maigret in Paris. He played the Challenger 3 weeks ago, Yann, maybe you remember. Great player too. Maybe you don't know him that well. We don't see him often on the tournaments, but he's starting really to play now in different tournaments in France. A lot of progress from this player on the left side. This game, guys, is for the third place. Third and fourth place. Two French clubs, 3 French clubs on the last 4 places in this European Paddle Clubs. Casa Padel, of course, you know now. They are in the final tomorrow. I think we're gonna have great matches there. All these players from Toulouse and Perpignan, they know each other by heart. They've been playing once against each other a few thousand times, I think now. But we're going to leave a great meeting there. Go, go, go. Hello, Merias. Hello, Brandy. Visca Catalunya, si. Julien, you say Patrick André, welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. And once again, thanks for joining this great event, the 3 days competition here in Casa Padel, Paris, for this European Cup of Paddle Clubs. And once again, of course, you know now, but thanks to all the sponsors, partners, companies, media, who permits this event to take place. Thanks to Bull Paddle, Carthley, Adidas, Libora, Kelme, paddlemanager.com, European Institute of Chiropractic, Z Violin. I will talk about that violin in a few moments during the match. That violin, which is the company who is sponsorizing for this event, Le Mas in Perpignan, IMEX Sport, Ghent Paddle Academy, at Venice, Monaco Paddle Federation, paddleshop.com, and of course all the medias and newspaper informations which relays all the informations and results you have to know. Paddle Magazine, of course, for the live streaming. Paddle World Press and CMD Sport for the Spain media. Paddle Wall for the Portuguese media. And Passy for Paddle for the Netherlands. Hi everyone. Hello David. Hope everything is alright for you. The players finished their warm-up. They are ready to play this first match for this game. good luck to everyone. Take it easy at home. We'll be together for the rest of the afternoon today and tomorrow again from 9 o'clock in the morning for the final. The players are almost ready now. Drinking a last plate of a bottle of water. Putting cream on the ends to not slip with the grip. And Nicolas and Jan are already on the court, representing the Toulouse Paddle Club with the IFEC, European Institute of Chiropractic. Erwan Nicole is making the toss. And it's Toulouse Paddle Club which will begin to serve for this first match. Have a great time, guys. And as usual, you know that now you can ask any questions. You can comment anything you want. We'll read you and we will answer you, of course. 1 or 2 more minutes for the picture. Once again, this game is for the 3rd place, the bronze medal. Let's go TPC, TPC, TPC. You are a few of you for the Toulouse Paddle Clubs, but the North Catalans will be there too to support their team from Le Mas in Perpignan. Hello Nicolas, hello Dora, hello Sacha, Arcante. Nice of you for joining. Thank you. And here we are, we start. Love 15. Great pleasure for me to comment this match, these guys, and for once to have time to see really how this left-handed player, José Luis Salines, plays. Great player, we're gonna see him, how he defends, how he moves. He doesn't seem to move very quickly when you see him, but he's always well placed in a good position, great height, and he knows, of course, the game by heart. Playing paddle for, I don't know, 3 years maybe now. Once again, he was number 1 in Spain and extra number 60 in the WPT. I think the players from Toulouse are gonna play mostly on R1. Yes, we're gonna have a lot of pleasure this afternoon, I think, watching these great matches. That was a bad return from R1 there. Once again, he tried to lob on the first service, on the return of the first service, and try to avoid that. Because if the service is good, is long, it's really hard to lob on those kind of balls. often will miss the lob, make enforced errors, and or you give quite an easy smash for your opponents. Try to always play the first return down. It's better in paddle. Arcante, you ask with the player with the famous Nico Kintrankar, please. Okay, Yann Oradou. Yann Oradou is the player playing this afternoon with Nico. Nico, who is the coach of the Toulouse Paddle Club, giving lessons there. If you need any lessons and you're living in Toulouse, don't hesitate and go and ask Nicolas. Yann Oradou normally plays with Julien Maigret. I don't know for next year, of course, because the Mercato of paddle started now. The World Championships ended last week in Paraguay, and many teams are going to change with the girls and with the boys. You see the speed of Nicolas starting from his side. He was really quick, but he couldn't take that ball back on the balls. Welcome, Arcante. Hey, Ray. Hope everything is alright for you. Brandy, you're telling me no one contact you for the Mercato. It's strange. I don't really understand why. Maybe you change your phone number. Okay, everything is all right for Yann, but I think the ball went on his wrist, directly on his wrist, which is quite painful. It was a really hard smash. Seems all right. As you see, those two guys from Le Mas in Perpignan, Erwan and José, hit the ball quite hard, Erwan particularly. And José has a lot of variation in his game. Great first volley there in the center, very long, didn't go up. You will see during this match, I think, José Luis will be the player with less mistakes than the others. Of course, we have Leah this afternoon with us. You missed her, huh, all of you this morning. She's back. And she's preparing once again the statistics. Oh, the player lost the score. Great smash from Jan. Great service from Nico. You could see the length of this service. Really hard to return. Once again, Jose put the ball inside, make them play. And I think that's 2-1 for the Toulouse Paddle Club. Oh, that's really a big mistake there. You can see that Jose is giving advices to Erwan. He knows the paddle so much that he can play, he can coach, and he can see the weaknesses of the opponents and play where it hurts. Good, this one from Erwan. He defended playing down, which is what you have to do. Once again, when you're not in a good position in paddle, don't lob, play down. And he missed that one because the hit point was not forward. It's the match for the third place, Guillaume. Médaille de bronze en jeu. .40, 2 break points. Wow, so clever. This bandera, slightly crossed. Hello, Jorge. And 2 break points saved by Le Mas, sponsored by Z Violin. What is Z Violin, maybe you're asking yourself? It's a concept with a very thin mattress, which can help you to recover or to help your injuries to pass. New concept, which works very well actually. The player from Le Mas went to visit their sponsor just before this game, had a little rest there and regenerate all the muscles. And game for the Mas, 2-2 now. They saved 2 break points. Rolre, saludos de Arandem, buen padel, saludos. Thank you for joining and watching this live streaming. Thank you, Padel Magazine, of course. And thanks. Oh, we missed it, so close. And thank you to the whole organization there, to André Lafenêtre, Fernando Blanco, Claude Beitsch. You will have the interview of Claude Beitsch very soon on Padel Magazine. Many great information Claude gave us. Many new things coming. And hopefully many great things coming. And back again, that's 2-3. So you understood now, huh? As there are two French teams on the court, I tell you the score starting with the guy who's serving, which is normal in the racket sports. It was not, they won that point, but yes, as you see, Jose told Erwan maybe he should have played that one a bit more in the center, because that was risky. You can see the volleys from Jose. They are not going very high after the rebound. Look at where Jose is and what his eyes gives him. Never late. He's always there on the ball, even if he's not well placed, but he knows the guys can't do anything else than putting the ball there or there, and he will be in both places if needed. Watch out, Erwan. That's not really a good idea to make so many drop shots on a row, in a row. There's no surprise. I think that's what Jose is telling him actually. Play a bit longer, be more patient. Then you have the opportunity to make a drop shot at 1-2 times. But first, keep the player the back of the court. those players don't really know each other. Jan and Nicolas, they don't play often each other. Just the guy who went to pick up the ball outside throw the ball bit during the point, and of course when you pick up the ball, wait for the end of the point to give it back to the players. Mistake from Jose Luis. Was close, but was out. You know that when the ball is touching a glass directly, the ball is out in padel. Okay, break, I think. 4-2 for the Toulouse Padel Club, sponsored by the IFEC, European Institute of Chiropractic. And yes, Guillaume, it's the game for the third place. Thank you, Brandy. Wow, what a return. Because the service was really good, really long, on the line. Oh! Well done from Jose here, being aggressive, taking time to the opponent by going forward on the court. I don't know if Nicolas made one mistake from the beginning, since the beginning of this match. He's incredible, this player. How he runs fast. how much he's good at this sport now. It's too risky. Erwan, I think, is playing a bit above his level there, a bit under pressure. Okay, 2-5 in this first set, in this first match for this game. We're gonna see if Erwan is going to make a little bit less mistakes, maybe being a bit less ambitious. He doesn't need to do a lot because he has a left-handed player on his right side who can do a lot. And this left-handed player is a great paddle player. Top 60 in the WPT, José Luis Salines. And the guy from the Toulouse Paddle Club, our coach for this match by Cédric Carité. Better. This volley is better. The first volley from Erwan there. And you can see after that it's not the same story. He just pushed this ball inside. And that's really his role there. To just push the ball inside. And not trying anything. This is stupid. Sorry. But this is not tactically clever. Making a drop shot, the second shot of the point. At 5-3. Nice croquette. First winning croquette for this match. What is a croquette? It's a slow ball you put aside of one of both players at the net. Oh, it's so nice. Well done, José. That's it, Erwan. Push the ball inside, and then when he has the opportunity, then he can hit it hard. And Jose tells him, I think, to not go at the net that early. Stay at the back until the opponents are not far away from the net. You don't go. You wait, being patient. That's it. Now you go, go, go. Oh, wonderful from Nicolas.
Y en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía. Back for the second set now. That stayed on the net. He was a bit backwards, hard to realize. Okay, I won't translate that one. Hopefully you didn't hear what Nicolas said. That wasn't really nice hearing that. Bit of frustration on that ball, but they won the first set. And one love now for Le Mas. Oh, pity. It appeared that maybe you heard what Nicolas said. Thank you, Magali. Hello. A great Saturday for you. Being home, watching paddle, listening to your sister. Enjoy. Hard. Oh la la, it's really nice lob this one, but it was really hard and risky to try that. No.
Après la balle.
Wow, what a defense from those two guys from Toulouse, playing for the Toulouse Paddle Club. What a defense again from Erwan with his backhand volley. Great, what a point, guys. Thank you and congratulations to the fourth of you. Thank you, Magali. Thank you, Moog. The voice, yes. That's it, Erwan, that's it. That's what Jose told him 2-3 points ago. Go stick a little bit when you can and go ahead. When you stick the net, you can hit the ball hard. That's the game, that's the way to play. But first you have to be patient and you have to be able to stick at the net. What a point there. I hope you're enjoying, guys, because oh, what a pity to finish that kind of point, those kind of points with a mistake. And 1-1 now in the second set. Wonderful service there. And great return from Nicolas. And 2-1 for Le Mas.
dire quand tu as tiré dans ce match. Les deux moments de préférés, c'est le match en direct et c'est un retour de vitre. Retour de vitre, c'est une belle définition de match. Jusqu'à rouge, tu peux.
It's really it's really funny to see Alain Henry coaching José Luis Enes, Erwan Nicole on one side, and on the other side, Cédric Carité coaching Nicolas Troncard and Diano Radou. They are both friends, Alain Henry and Cédric Carité, and they both are the author of the first real book about paddle. Les fondamentaux du paddle is the title. What's fundamental in the paddle game? They created this book already, I think, 4 years ago, and the second edition just appeared last year. And they are both of them the author of this book, but today they are rivals on the court. Alain Henry who is one of the owner and coach in Le Mas in Perpignan. Le Mas, which is a great club, of course. You know, for those of you already went there, you know it's a great club, very nice club with 6 paddle courts, 2 tennis courts, and 5 squash courts. It's a racket club. These people, they are very much involved in the development of paddle. They created a school of paddle with children. They have many kids at this school. They do a lot for the paddle. They often go to Spain to play paddle against Spanish guys, competitions there, tournaments, teams tournament. Alain Henry, Frédéric Tapp are the 2 owners of this club. And you have there Loïc Tapp and Laurent Plan, the 2 tennis and paddle coach, and Laurent Combalusier, who is the squash coach for this club. They run so fast, those players. It's really hard to win a point against them. They are everywhere. Nicolas and Yann from the Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsorized by the IFEC, the European Institute of Chiropractic. Very great players. Big smash from Erwan from the back of the court there, but Yann was really close to touch it. So watch out, quite dangerous to do that. That's it. That's it. I agree with Jose. This is the point and the tactic to put. It's
distinto. Supera tus límites, confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites, confía en
Okay, 3-2 in the second set for Le Mas. But they lost the first set 6-3. Yes, it's a great match. A bit, sometimes few mistakes, which cost a lot. And which makes the differences. Another great point. He's solid, huh? Erwan, very solid. Remind you, he was a pro in volleyball, so he's used to go on the ground. Massive guy. And it's great to see those players playing this European Cup of Paddle Clubs. 12 clubs this year for the second edition. 7 countries, Portugal, Spain, France of course, the Principality of Monaco, Belgium, the Netherlands, and also Senegal with Geoffrey and the Club of La Palmeraie in Sali in Africa are there. 72 players during 3 days competition. Many sponsors, many companies and brands which sponsorize one team or one club. Vibora, Bull Padel, Cartry, Kelme, Adidas, paddlemanager.com and paddleshop.com. Oh, it's a pity because it was a nice one, nice try from Erwan. Hasn't the luck with him. And a great chance for these players to participate at this event, gaining experiences. Maybe you've heard Erwan giving informations to José Luis, telling him whether the opponents were, if they were going backwards, forwards, if they were sticking at the net, or if they were staying at the back of the court. It's important to tell the player, to tell your partner where the opponents are, for him to know what to do with the ball. The body language of José Luis is not really positive. Huh? I don't know if you see him. It's one of his weakness. Mentally, sometimes he causes problems to the opponents, and he's not really positive with his partner. You can see his gestures there. I won't like playing with him on his side. If he's speaking to me like this, I'll tell you that. Just not possible for me. And that's a game for Perpignan and Le Mas, sponsored by Z Violin. A big thanks, too, for all the medias which are talking about this event, the European Cup of Paddle Clubs. Paddle Magazine, of course, you know him now, and Frank Binisti, the founder of Paddle Magazine, and there for the live streaming, but also Passy for Paddle for the Netherlands, and for Portugal we have Paddle Wall. Francisco told you about Paddle Wall yesterday night, if you were with us for the last game, the first match of the last game yesterday afternoon. But also for Spain we have CMD Sport and Paddle Wall Press. Of course, without all these partners, companies, brands which sponsorize the clubs, this event couldn't take place. And here we are again. And with the service now, Nicolas Trancard trying to come back for the 4-4. What a great smash from Nicolas. Big smash there. The mass we chose to not put on the court the same players all time. This morning Pascal Nice played with José Luis. They have few players in Le Mas. After that he's going to play normally, if my informations are good, Loïc Tap and Thierry Malacamp. And also Alain Henry can play. I think he won't play this weekend because it's not his purpose to play. He's not here for that. But he can play also. He's also a good player. But this weekend he's there to coach his team. And he was, of course, at the meeting this morning with all the companies, brands, and associates, speaking about the future, speaking about the event during this 3 days competition. And the players are changing side again. It's 5-4. For the Mas again, from Perpignan. And with the service now, Yann Oradou. Playing up, playing down until you have the right ball and you can accelerate and finish the point with it. Playing up and playing down. When you are in a good situation, the players don't know if the ball was good or not. I don't know what they're going to decide. They replay the point, I think. You're welcome, Laurent Michel. Perfect speed. This ball didn't go out at all after the second rebound on the double window. Great shot from Erwan. I think you will appreciate that. Great shot there. With a smash by 3, went outside the door, played this ball really hard along the net. Watch out, Nicolas, to not hit the net like this with your racket by frustration, because you can get a warning. All the captains and the players signed the paper to avoid those kind of manners, behaviors. They are not allowed to spit, they are not allowed to say bad words, not allowed to throw the rackets, not allowed to touch the net by frustration or the windows. Everything is written.
Bien Nikos. Bien dosé ça. Allez. Allez. C'est bien tenu les gars, c'est bien tenu là. Allez. Encore. Encore. Allez, tout de suite. Allez, viens.
Oh, this one is too long. Actually, guys, I'm going to tell you a secret. I don't really see how the Mas can win this match now. Even if Erwan is making less mistakes and trying to put the ball inside a bit more, tactically, I think they can do much better. The team in front of them, the Toulouse Paddle Club team, sponsored by the IFEC, the European Institute of Chiropractic, I think to me seems to be a little more homogeneous, which is better for a team to have a partner almost at your level, different qualities but almost at your level. And there's a different level in the team of the Mas between José Luis and Erwan, which is more difficult to coach and to do something with it. But they lead in this second set, and they lead 6-5. I think they've just saved a set point there. Toulouse. Oh, nice R1. Well done. Well done twice. Wonderful R1. Congrats. Wow, so smart, huh? Everything there, every shot of Jose Luis, but really, really nice defense from the guy in Toulouse. Yes, he can shout it on that because it was really, really a big point again. And tie break now for the second set. Okay, 0-1 for Lemas. Oh, strange what just Jose Luis have done, crossing this ball again. Many lets on this point. And Lemas is now ahead 2-0 in this tiebreak of the second set. Three love now. Brice, you asking me who's playing? So the guy with the white and blue shirts are playing for the Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsored by the IFEC, the European Institute of Chiropractic. On the right side there is Nicolas Trancard. On the left side, Yano Radou. Facing them with the service now, Erwan Nicole. Playing for Lemas, sponsored by Z Violin. And his partner on the left side is Jose Luis Salines. 3-1 in the tiebreak for Lemas. One four. Yes, of course, Jose must take place, must take the center. Oh, great. Great backhand volley there from Jose Luis. Very nice. Wow, well done, Jan. Perfect bandera from Nicolas there. Very nice, perfect speed, perfect zone. Even Jose couldn't defend it. 4-all. No. 5-4. That's what Jose and Henri, the coach, ask Erwan to do, even if he's quite far from the net, trying to use his strength to accelerate the ball, and each time he could, played hard. And that's the end of the second set, 7-6 for the Mas.
Distinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. 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 Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.
Nice parada from Jan there. And one couldn't control the speed of that ball. Okay, the first game of this third set for the Toulouse Paddle Club and the European Institute of Chiropractic against the Club of the Mass Perpignan, sponsored by Z Violin. Oh, it's a pity that one didn't follow José Luis on that one. But that's it, one more ball, one more shot, one more and one more. Always one more. And then you see what's happening, you see what happens. Always have a chance to ay ay ay. No, it's alright. It's alright. No arms for Jan. But we were afraid of that, huh? Okay, 15 all. Avance, go forward, go forward. Oh, yes. Bit of luck with that. But he should have. He should have go very close on the net one on the one before. Boom. Very great volley there. Oh, that's a big mistake from Jan. Very big one. Maybe you've seen the change, strategy change, the mass put down. Erwan now is there to hit the ball hard when it's above the shoulders and put the ball in the center when he has a volley to do. don't risk anything more. That's his role, and Jose Luis must use all his variation. He's well knowing of this sport. Everyone has his role, and that changed a lot of things for about 20 minutes now. And Jose Luis is taking a lot of the center now. And as soon as they can, they have to take the net, as we say, stay there, don't go backwards, and it's 2-all in this third set. Go, 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 go. Nice smash by 3 from Jan. Once again, a smash by 3, which means that the ball after the rebound goes to the back window and goes out of the court aside, because the court measures 3 meters high from the sides. He will be there. And he will be there again. Oh, was close. A little bit angry there, Jose Luis, to lose those kind of points. You see Jose Luis already at the net. As soon as he can, he goes at the net, very close, trying to take some balls and taking times to the opponent. And 3-2 now for the Toulouse Paddle Club with the effect.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.
Okay, 2-3 in the third set for Toulouse Paddle Club. A really undecided match there, really tight match. I hope you're enjoying this game, guys, because it's really a nice match. It's a close fight match, of course, but it's quite a nice match, actually. With many nice shots. Different kind of games between the 4 players. Oh, maybe it's going to do some good to him to have shouted this time. Very frustrating, I told you, José Luis. For now, an hour, almost at the beginning of this match. And that means that he's forcing a little bit his shots, and sometimes doesn't take the good decision. As this shot. But that's a mental part of the sport, which is very important, as you know, and very interesting too. All these mental parts, you can't really handle and know what will happen in your head and how you're going to deal with things. And that's the time you have to find answers with yourself and with your partner. Ah yes, the roof at 850 there, but it wasn't enough for this lob. And that's a break, ladies and gentlemen. 4-2 for the Toulouse Paddle Club with the European Institute of Chiropractic. The mass sponsorized by Z Violin is really struggling there on this match in its first set, but they are struggling from the beginning of this match, actually. But they are resisting, they're still there, still alive, and this is first set. We never know what can happen. And you can see the differences between the body languages from the guys of the Toulouse Paddle Club and the guys from Le Mas. Yeah, it's a pity that Erwan played that backhand volley crossed. He should have played straight ahead along the line. When you have an opponent who is struggling, you have to finish him, playing again and again on him. Oh, this wasn't nice from Nicolas. Don't do that, please. Stupid, because your rackets can't do anything about it. And it's a bit easy to always hit your racket on the ground or in the net or whatever. I hate that, as you can hear. We are really now in the mental thing for all those players. A bit of tiredness too. Physically it's quite complicated to repeat the efforts again and again and again.
Réfléchis au cercle.
break confirmed from the Toulouse Paddle Club and the European Institute of Chiropractic, and they lead this third set by 5 games, to 2. That's time for betting, guys. Do you think the Mas can come back? Do you think he can make it all the way long and wins last 5 more games? Or do you think it's too late for them? Let me know. After this match, we'll have the women double going on with 4 French girls. I will of course present the girls to you when they will be on the court. I see them warming up now. Oh, it's perfect, yes, perfect. What a control of the speed of that ball from Jan. Congrats, Jan, because some of us would have played hard. Okay, love 30, 2 points away. And that's 2 match points to win this first match. Maybe you've heard Cédric Carité, who told Nico, put the return in the side and see what's happening, but make him play that ball, that second shot after the service. That's what he's done. He has done. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Game, set and match for Nicolas Trancar and Yen Oradou against Erwan Nicol and José Luis Salines. And this first point for this game for the Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsored by the European Institute of Chiropractic. Hope you enjoyed this game as much as we did. And we will be back in a few minutes for the women double. Thank you, bye-bye.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.